Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of College Tips with Kendall. Whether you're an incoming freshman about to start school or you've had a few years of experience, you can learn some tips and tricks to survive in college that they don't teach you at orientation. Today we're going to learn how you can make all A's this semester.
Tip number 1, start with a positive attitude. If you go into a class expecting to fail, then you probably will. As a student, so much of our motivation comes from having a good attitude about something. If you know you're going to hate the class or the professor, then your grades will probably start to reflect that. Even though it seems super simple, think happy thoughts. Tip number 2, meet with your professor at the beginning of the semester. Professors like it when their students show initiative. Be honest about where you're coming from and your desire to do well this semester. The worst thing you could do is to show up at their door during finals week begging for extra credit. Tip number 3, don't skip any classes.
Now I know what you're thinking. Aren't excused absences there for a reason?
While it's tempting to use your skips early on, you should save them for unexpected emergencies. When it comes to really difficult classes, attendance grade is something you don't want to forfeit. Along the same vein is tip number 4, do all of the homework. When you hear that homework only counts for 10% of your grade, it's easy to slack off. Besides from it affecting a portion of your overall grade, homework can be a great way to help you study for your midterms and finals. Finally, tip number 5, find a buddy in the class. It's always harder to navigate difficult classes on your own. Having a friend in the class can help you intellectually, and they can offer motivation to finish strong.
With the right priorities and some healthy practices, you can make all A's this semester. And just remember, while grades are important, at the end of the day, they don't define you. Thanks for joining the first episode of College Tips with Kendall. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know what college advice you need by commenting down below. See you next time.